How to redeem Netflix gift card on TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Netflix gift card on TV. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to redeem your Netflix gift card on TV, all you have to do is, first of all, we cannot do it from the Netflix app. So instead, I'm going to open up an internet browser on my TV, and once I open an internet browser, what you want to do is you want to simply go to this option over here that says account settings, right? So which means that you have to go to your browser, go to netflix.com/your-account, and when you go to netflix.com/your-account on your browser, you have to make sure that you're even logged in on your browser. And once you make sure that you're logged in, just scroll over here, and then here under the payment section you'll find redeem gift card or promo code. So make sure to click on redeem gift card or promo code. As you do that, right over here you'll be able to see this page where it'll ask you to simply redeem your gift card. Now all you have to do is make sure to enter the code or the pin. Once you enter the code or the pin, you can just click this redeem option that you can find here. If they are correct, your gift card is going to get successfully redeemed, and this way you'll be able to redeem your Netflix gift card on TV. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.